Sticking to a diet and exercise plan is hard enough as it is. Now add getting sick and it being Thanksgiving. My commitments were about to be put to the test. Hi guys, it is Tuesday afternoon and I am just heading to the gym now. I have eaten flawlessly since Sunday. So I don't know if I mentioned this in my last vlog, but the reason why I didn't weigh in is because my scale broke. So I'm going to buy a new scale after my workout today and weigh in mañana. So like I mentioned in my last vlog, I'm really getting more comfortable at my new gym, just like having my own little routine. I have been doing so many of the hip abductors and adductors. I've just been like doing my own thing on the machine and just like seeing how heavy I can go. Last time I was there, I did, I think like 2 or 3 sets of 160. That was a fuzzy flying. And when I'm doing it, I really am squeezing. I'm really enjoying just like seeing how heavy I can go. Like I have no adult supervision when I'm doing this, but I'm just like listening to my body, like making sure I'm like, it feels okay. Like I'm not hurting anything while I'm doing it. I don't know if it's just in my head, but I swear like my butt is getting more toned because of it. So the point I'm trying to make is that there's no program that told me to just sit down on this machine and start doing it every single day and see how heavy you can go. Just kind of like found something that I liked and tried it out, and I'm like running with it. But I swear when I'm doing like when I'm doing squats and deadlifts, I can feel those muscles like at the top of my thighs activate while I'm doing it. So I think I needed to like build those muscles up to even be able to like squat better and do better deadlifts and all that stuff. So the point I'm trying to make, did I already say this? I don't know, I'm just jibbing right now. The point I'm trying to make is like, dude, go to the gym. Don't be scared how you look, because screw everybody. Figure out, like, watch YouTube videos, watch Instagram videos. That's what I do. Figure out like how to work the little machines. Find something you like and get into it. 'Cause that's what I'm doing. Also, I have been doing lots of hip thrusts, and every single week I edit them out of the vlog because I look like a straight potato when I'm doing them. It's just not flattering. Like, you're humping the air, all right? But I've been doing lots of those, and those are really, really good for the butt too. I also wanted to say thank you guys for all of the encouraging and kind comments on my last video. I don't like to bring up negative comments and like address that stuff because I feel like it gives like more power to those people, which they don't deserve. But at the same time, I'm actually glad that I did, because it's like I need to like set shit straight. They weren't honking at me.
You're welcome. Double gel season.
So we just split it for you guys.
What's up, guys? It is Thursday at around 11. I'm headed to the gym right now. This week, I don't know what's going on, but I've been having some stomach issues. For that reason, I haven't been doing keto. So yeah, without going into further detail, that's what's been going on with my diet. I have been really consistent with going to the gym this week, which is good. I haven't been doing super hard workouts every single day, but I've been at the gym almost every single day doing something. So I feel really good about that. So like I bought a new scale because I wanted to do the weigh-in like Tuesday or Wednesday, excuse me. I don't know, my stomach was just so upset and I feel off, so I felt like I didn't want to weigh myself because I just didn't want to go there, I guess. So yeah, it's been like up and down. Like right now, like sometimes my stomach's been okay and then sometimes it hasn't. Like right now my stomach is really bothering me, and I ate just like eggs and spinach and coffee this morning. That's it. So after my workout, I'm probably gonna get a banana and see if that helps kind of settle things. I feel nauseous. All right, let's do this. Ugh. My hair is crazy, but I mean, what else is new? I ate a banana after my workout and I felt okay at first, and now my stomach is just like really upset. Like I feel like almost like I need to throw up. My stomach actually feels better. Hi guys, I have been really sick this week. Like I think I had the flu or something, but I'm forcing myself to go to the gym and just get a sweat on in and go in the steam room and kind of try and just get whatever this is out of my system. I don't normally get sick like this. Like last week I was having some stomach issues, but I wasn't like sick. But this week I was sick. Honestly, I feel really disgusting and I can't wait to just feel like normal again. So today all I've had is like coffee with heavy cream and some eggs. So technically I just boarded the keto train. We just boarded. We haven't even got to the first stop yet. I'm really feeling like I need like fruits and vegetables. I feel like that's like what my body is craving. And like lots of nutrients and vitamins. I want to get a juice after I work out, but that won't push me into keto town. I don't know why everything is transportation analogies right now. So anyways, I don't know what I'm gonna do. What's up guys? So I just finished up my workout. I ended up not going into the steam room because I'm feeling a little barfy at the moment, a little bit like weak and shaky, but I caught myself because I'm feeling like very hard on myself right now because I'm like, I know I gained weight from going off of keto. I'm like, dude, cut that shit out. You just did 55 minutes of cardio and you stretched. Tomorrow I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna do more cardio and I'm gonna lift some weights. I'm gonna make it into the steam room, drink a ton of water tonight, and just fucking crush. My double chin, just, like I swear to God, I had one friggin' cracker last week and it just set up shop. So from Target, I got some vitamin C, zinc, and then I was just looking around the frozen food section. So I found these veggie spirals. Obviously you can make them yourself, but this just looks quick and easy. And it says there's only 2 grams of carbs per serving. Also found this mashed cauliflower, cheddar, and bacon. And then it says there's 6 grams of carbs per serving. And then I don't know even why I got this. It doesn't look healthy. I was like, whatever, I'll try it. But it also has 6 grams of carbs per serving. Obviously making this stuff at home is probably a lot better for you. But I don't know, I just wanted to try some stuff that's like quick and easy for when I don't have time and see what's good. It is 1 o'clock on Thanksgiving. I'm headed to the gym just to get a little sun in. The scale actually said that I went up 10 pounds. And like the scale for me fluctuates like crazy. I'm sure you guys have noticed. So this week I've been really trying to eat light, stay in a calorie deficit, eat keto again. But it's Thanksgiving and see, I'm like, but so what I'm gonna do is just like eat what I want, but try and just like eat light, try and stay in a calorie deficit, but eat, you know, whatever. I'm not gonna stress off it today. And then tomorrow I'll start back on the keto process, which will take me a couple days to get back into ketosis. This is my first year not being home for Thanksgiving. I don't know, Alan and Derek are gonna come over and we're gonna cook at my place. I can't believe that I'm not going home. It like doesn't feel like Thanksgiving. So it's kind of weird. I changed up my gym routine a little bit too. I actually changed to doing like lower weights and higher reps. That's what I'm focusing on now, and I'm excited to see how that works out for me. So we're gonna make fried chicken, like mac and cheese, what else? I don't know, a bunch of stuff. So we are at the grocery store right now, getting everything. No. Dude, that's gonna be so amazing.
It will be.
Save those lies, darling, don't explain. I recall Central Park in
Hi guys, it is Saturday at about 1:30. I am heading into the gym to work out with my trainer. I think it's been like 2 weeks since I worked out with him. Friday I was supposed to get back into keto, and guess what? I didn't. But today I am eating keto so far. I had a coffee with heavy cream and sugar-free sweetener from Starbucks. And then I also had the egg bites. Sucks. So it is now 40 minutes later. I've gone like less than 5 miles. I checked the GPS. It says it's gonna take me 45 minutes to get to the gym because there's an accident and there's like crazy traffic. So I texted my trainer. He's like, I have to leave right at 3. Don't even bother coming. So I'm just like super frustrated because I was really looking forward to working out with my trainer today, but there's nothing I can do. I was looking forward to working out with my trainer because I feel like I wanted like a really good workout. Like I was like, I really want to get like pushed today. So I'm gonna have to just do that on my own.